Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Danny channel. I'm Teacher John and I'm here to help you become great at learning English. Today's topic is part of our 30 Days to Powerful Vocabulary series. In this series, we explain important vocabulary words and phrases to help you understand and speak better when you talk about certain topics. Today's topic is travel. Before we start our topic, please like and share this video if it's helpful to you. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, please check below for a link to a free ebook that can help you learn even more English. Now, let's get started. Traveling is something many people love to do. Usually, we use English when we travel because it's the most widely spoken language. The words that we are going to learn about today are accommodation, head to or head for, destination, the middle of nowhere, picturesque, and to travel on foot or travel by foot. So, number 1, accommodation. What is accommodation? Well, it's a noun, and the definition is a place to live, work, or stay in. Examples of accommodation are hotels, motels, inns, apartments, or houses. Let's use it in a sentence. What kind of accommodation do you prefer when traveling? Or, the company provided me with free accommodation. Number 2, head to or head for. What does this mean? Here, to head is a verb, always followed by a preposition, usually to or for, and sometimes in. The definition is to go in a specified direction or toward a specified place. You can use it to replace going to. For example, I'm going to England next month. Change to, I'm heading to England next month. Next summer, I'm going to Brazil. Change to, next summer, I'm heading for Brazil. Number 3, destination. What is destination? It's a noun, and the definition is a place to which a person or something is going. Let's use it in a sentence. My final destination for this trip is Moscow. Or, the airplane's destination is Jakarta. Number 4, the middle of nowhere, or in the middle of nowhere. This is a phrase that means a place that is very isolated or far away from civilization or people. An example of this might be an island in the ocean, or a big desert, or somewhere in a forest. Let's use it in a sentence. I was camping with my family in the middle of nowhere. Or, there were no houses and no people because I was in the middle of nowhere. Number 5, picturesque. Picturesque is an adjective, and it means very pretty or charming, like a painted picture. So, there are many things that can be picturesque. When traveling, we might say that a street or a special natural scene is picturesque. So let's use it in a sentence. The small street in Rome was so picturesque. Or, the view from the top of the mountain was picturesque. Number 6, travel on foot or travel by foot. This is a verb phrase that means walk. If you travel on foot, you are walking. For example, I traveled on foot all the way to the next city. Or, there were no cars available and no buses, so we had to travel by foot. Okay, everyone, that's our lesson for today. Thanks for watching our new 30 Days to Powerful Vocabulary series. Keep watching our channel for more English learning videos, and stay tuned for the next video in this series. Remember, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in to the English Danny channel.